regulated is that government's going to choose a price. Yeah.
So the graph is still the same.
Yeah.
Teachers proctoring the SAT or setting up for colleagues, the bins are in the rooms. You can pick them up from first floor, room 117, second floor, room 212, and third floor, 316.
You guys missed that, you're not doing the SAT stuff?
So is it just like something you have to get used to with the two different MC curves? Like just because it looks a little...
Wherever the MC curve is, though, Case, even though here, because in a natural monopoly, the MC curve is always below the ATC,
Right.
just in a natural, but everything applies the same, where MC equals MR is profit maximization, where MC crosses demand is socially optimum or allocatively efficient, okay?
So no matter how you draw it, whether you draw it being a big check or not, as long as you get the intersection right. it doesn't matter.
Right, correct. Okay? All right. So, let's just go through this. One thing, when government regulates, it doesn't regulate profits, it regulates price. So, there are three typical prices that they'll ask you about. The first one is profit maximizer. MC equals MR, right here. That's what monopolies want. They're not going to get that one. The second one is socially optimum or allocatively efficient. That's what the people would want, where MC equals demand. Now the problem with that is, if MC equals demand, you're losing economic profit and the monopoly could shut down. So either the government would be faced with the shutdown of a monopoly or would have to subsidize the monopoly. So a lot of times they'll do the fair return price, where ATC intersects demand. Zero economic profits, right, because your price is the same as your cost right here. So zero economic profits, therefore the monopoly can keep going, and we have lowered the price of the monopoly. So those are the three options. So a lot of times they will ask you, they'll show you a graph like this and ask you, what is the quantity at socially optimum? And you look socially at QR. Or what is, they could ask you how much, what is the profit at fair return, or where is fair return, and that's just where ATC crosses. But at any time, just remember, government regulates the price. So if they ask you, what would government regulate at fair return, it's PF. Okay? It's just the price. Any questions on that? Okay, and again, because it's natural, this is a natural monopoly, MC is below ATC. Okay. All right, the Lorenz curve. You probably forgot that. It's a banana, right?